screaming. It's so loud. I'm begging you, please. Please just make it stop. It's eating me alive. I feel my brain pulsing through my spine, past my heart, into my soul. Please. Free my soul. Thump, thump, thump. It's beating like a drum. I feel my veins dancing to its rhythm. My body aches. I need rest. Come to me, I'm begging you, please. Your head held high, you're walking towards me. Arms warm and wide and open, waiting to wrap around me. Once again, you steal my heart, rebuilding my faith brick by brick. I love you. I love you too much. The white noise from the rest of the world stops. You smile and take my hand. A musical laugh starts to ring, and the heaven's rafters are shaking. Your white noise fills me, reminds me to breathe. Choruses of angels are softly singing, and you set my soul free from all these chains.